Welcome to the Torque Stitch installation tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through a comprehensive method to repair concrete cracks using Torque Stitch. To start, you'll need these tools: a 4-inch masonry saw, chipping hammer, hammer drill, 1/2 inch and 5/8 inch masonry drill bits, a 3/4 inch socket wrench, and a shop vacuum. Begin by tracing a 13 by 1.5 inch rectangle over the crack. Carefully mark the holes 12 inches apart. Drill both holes using the 1/2 inch masonry bit to a depth of about 4 inches. Create the box by cutting and chipping out the rectangle to around 1.5 inches deep. Open one hole with the 5/8 drill, verifying both holes are 2¼ inches deep below the niche bottom. Do not over-drill hole depths. Remove all debris thoroughly for a clean working area. Place the sleeve anchor through the stitch's bottom and thread the knot onto the top side. Insert it into the larger hole and tap down until flush with the niche's bottom. Then, tighten the nut with a socket wrench approximately 3 to 4 turns to 50 foot-pounds of controlled torque to secure the stitch. Repeat this process for each stitch along the crack. Once all stitches are in place, cover the Torque Stitch by filling the box with cement mortar. Your simple to install Torque Stitch comprehensive concrete repair is now complete. Remember to follow these simple installation steps for optimal results. For more tips and guidance, visit our website at torquestitch.com.